Today, we will talk about IRS Form 1099 MISC, what it is and what it's used for. Form 1099 MISC, miscellaneous income, is an IRS form used to report certain types of miscellaneous compensation, such as rents, prizes, and awards, healthcare payments, and payments to an attorney. Before 2020, it was also used to report non-employee compensation for independent contractors, freelancers, sole proprietors, and self-employed individuals. Starting with 2020, non-employee pay is reported on Form 1099 NEC, non-employee compensation. Taxpayers receive 1099s, including Form 1099 MISC, shortly after the end of the tax year and use the information to report the income they received. Form 1099 MISC is one of many in the 1099 series and among those commonly used. Form 1099 MISC is completed and sent out by someone who has paid at least $10 in royalties or broker payments in lieu of dividends or tax-exempt interest to another person. It's also sent to each person who was paid at least $600 during the calendar year in specific categories. The form is also used to report direct sales of at least $5,000 of consumer products to a buyer for resale anywhere other than a permanent retail establishment. The payer must send the form to the recipient by February 1st and file it with the IRS by March 1st. The recipient can attach the form to their tax return. A fiable Form 1099 MISC is available on the IRS website. Copy A of the form appears in red and is for IRS use only. The payer includes their name, address, and tax identification number, as well as the recipient's name, address, and social security number. The revised form has different box numbers for reporting various types of payments. For example, rents go in Box 1 and royalties in Box 2. If applicable, you'll also fill out Box 4, Federal Income Tax Withheld, and Box 16, State Tax Withheld. Form 1099 MISC is used to report certain miscellaneous compensation including rent, royalties, prizes, and awards, healthcare payments, and payments to an attorney. You must report income shown on any 1099 MISC that you receive. You do not have to file the form with your taxes, but you should keep it for your records. You can deduct any taxes withheld, including state and local taxes, on the appropriate return. You must complete and file Form 1099 MISC with the IRS, including sending a copy to the payee, for payments of at least $10 in royalties or broker payments in lieu of dividends or tax-exempt interest to another person and at least $600 for certain rent paid, prizes, and awards, and other listed income payments as mandated by the IRS. You must send the form to the recipient by February 1st and file it with the IRS by March 1st. Form 1099 MISC is used by business payers to report certain types of miscellaneous compensation to the IRS and to the recipients of those payments. Recipients are required to report the payments as income on their tax returns. In a change from previous years, beginning with the 2020 tax year, non-employee compensation is reported on Form 1099 NEC, not Form 1099 MISC. The purpose of Form 1099 MISC is to track and account for listed payments as a business deduction for business payers and income for payees. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. Form 1099 MISC is used to report miscellaneous compensation such as rents, prizes, and awards, medical and healthcare payments, and payments to an attorney. 2. Until 2020, it also was used to report the income of taxpayers who are not employees, such as independent contractors, freelancers, sole proprietors, and self-employed individuals. 3. Non-employee compensation is now reported on Form 1099 NEC. 4. A taxpayer would receive a Form 1099 MISC if you paid them $10 or more in royalties or $600 or more in other types of miscellaneous income during a calendar year. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.